step into the realm of performance legends, where automotive history has been shaped by sheer power and an unrelenting pursuit of perfection. The 1993 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra stands as a symbol of raw muscle and precision engineering, forever etching its name into the annals of automotive excellence. This machine was introduced as the inaugural masterpiece from Ford's special vehicle team, designed to push the boundaries of Mustang performance and captivate enthusiasts with a perfect fusion of speed, control, and style. Built with a 5.0-liter V8 engine, it delivered an exhilarating 235 horsepower, a figure that, at the time, thrilled both purists and everyday drivers. Every aspect of its construction had been carefully refined, from its enhanced suspension, set up to the aerodynamic upgrades that subtly reshaped the Mustang's silhouette while maintaining its aggressive stance. Later iterations, particularly in 1994 and beyond, saw improvements in handling dynamics, fuel efficiency, and overall refinement, reinforcing the legacy of this legendary vehicle without straying from its core identity. Inside, the Mustang SVT Cobra of 1993 had been crafted with a driver-first philosophy, supportive sport seats, a cockpit layout designed for performance-focused driving, and an intuitive arrangement of controls ensured that comfort and command went hand in hand. The blend of premium materials, functional ergonomics, and classic Mustang heritage made the experience inside the cabin as thrilling as the power that roared under the hood. As time passed, collectors and performance enthusiasts continued to revere this remarkable machine. Its market value has fluctuated, with well-preserved models fetching premium prices that reflect both their rarity and their revered status. Even today, this Mustang remains a sought-after treasure, with its unmistakable appeal drawing new admirers, while seasoned collectors hold on to them as prized possessions. The evolution of the Mustang SVT Cobra did not halt with its 1993 debut. Later models built upon its foundation, incorporating technological advancements that sharpened its agility and amplified its thrill factor. Yet despite these refinements, the spirit of the original has been preserved, ensuring that the essence of Mustang performance remains alive and untamed. This story is more than just about a car. It is about an enduring legacy that continues to inspire and ignite passion among automotive enthusiasts. Whether you are a seasoned collector, a Mustang devotee, or someone just discovering the magic of performance machines, this is the place where history and excitement collide. Join our community, immerse yourself in the thrill, and be part of an ever-growing legacy that celebrates the power, heritage, and unyielding spirit of the Ford Mustang SVT Cobra. The road ahead is limitless, and the legend continues to roar.